Harry Potter. A mysterious ticking noise. Are you recording? Yes, I am recording. Thank you very much.
She's not there.
No.
What is that mysterious ticking noise? Over here, over there. Kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore! Hermione!
Severus
Hermione!
Snape,
Hermione!
Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
Severus
Harry Potter.
Snape,
Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. That's me.
Snape,
Harry.
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 Dumbledore! Hermione!
Snape,
Harry Potter. I'm Harry Potter. I'm Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
singing my song all day long at
Hogwarts.
I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb.
Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldy, 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 Voldemort.